different event naman
I
tayo today.
know.
Ito here, flowers from you
Maraming
in
salamat.
behalf of
Thank you so
Key-Mans, of
much.
course. Oh my goodness, you look absolutely radiant, so stunning.
you.
So
Thank
statter, if I may say so myself. Kamusta, Michelle? How are you feeling today?
Well, honestly ako, I love looking at life with a grateful heart. Ako, masaya ako. Masaya ako kahit maraming problema. Hindi, dapat masaya
problems.
tayong lahat. Kahit maraming problema, kahit maraming blessings. Always have to see things with a positive perspective.
Correct.
And of course, I'm so blessed to be here, seeing all of your beautiful faces. Maraming salamat for taking the time to experience this wonderful event.
Yeah,
I love you too. I love you.
Ang dami tayo magdayo sa'yo, Michelle, today, right? Now, magchichikahan muna tayo for a little bit, so why don't we sit
Chika
down?
minute?
Yes, okay, we are gonna get into the nit and gritty.